Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device to this laptop. First of all, turn on the Bluetooth on your laptop by opening the control center right here and then tapping this icon and switching this toggle to the right. Then what you're gonna have to do to pair a new device, you're gonna have to click pair new device and put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode so that your laptop can find it in the nearby discoverable devices. If you don't know how to put your device into pairing mode, you have to check the manual to it, and once you do that, this device should appear on the list. And once you see this device on the list, just click on it to pair it. And this way you will connect this device to your laptop. To disconnect it, you have to once again go into Control Center, click right here, then click on your device, and you can either disconnect or forget this device completely by clicking at these two options. If you click forget, you will delete this device from your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.